Dear children, from the exercise 4.1 inverse trigonometric functions, first problem, that is find all the values of x such that in this subdivision 1 question minus 10 phi 2 plus 10 phi x values and sin x is equal to 0. That minus 10 phi 2 plus 10 y given interval. In that interval, x values, how many values having? That equation is the sin x is equal to 0 given. Sin x is equal to 0 given. So x values, many values having. From that many values, he asking only minus 10 phi to plus 10 phi interval. So we draw the graph. Y-axis, this is the x-axis. So at x is equal to 0, sin x value 0. At x is equal to 90, 1. This is the 1, highest 1. And at 180 also 0. 180 0. 270 minus 1. 360 0. So after 0, with 5 gap again 0 gap. 0 value. After 5, 2 5 also 0. 5 to 2 5. After that 3 5. 4 5, 6 5, 7 5, up to 10 5 0. Every 5 duration 5 that value is 0. Sin 0 0, sin 180 0, sin 360 0, sin 3 5, 180 540 also 0, like that up to 10 5. 10 5 how much? 5 value 180. 180 into 10, 1800 degrees. In this side minus 1800 degrees. In that minus 1800 degrees to plus 1800 degrees, how many values? X values. Now actually sin x is equal to 0 equation, general solution is for this is x is equal to n pi. First value n is equal to 0, we get sin x is equal to n is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 coming. X is equal to 0 means sin 0 0. If n is equal to 1, 1 5, 180, sin 180 0, and n is equal to 2, 2 pi, 2 pi also 0, 2 pi means 360, sin 360 0, like that up to 10 having, up to 10. N is equal to 0, 1, 2, like that up to 10. Next, check the negative side. Where negative, here 0, minus 5, 0, minus 360. And after that, minus 2, 5, minus 360 also 0. So, n is equal to 0, plus 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, up to 10, 5. And negative side also up to minus 10 5. So here existing values for n plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, up to plus or minus 10. How many values here? 1 to 10, 10 values. Negative values also 10, 20 values, and again 0. Total 21 values having. So this is the number of values. Find all the values of x. All the values of x means x is equal to n phi. Here n values 0 to plus or minus 10. That is the x values. Okay. After that, second problem. Sin x is equal to minus 1. Second subdivision. What given equation? Sin x is equal to minus 1 given. Minus 1, which value for sin? Sin x is equal to sin of minus 90, minus 90, minus 1. So, minus 1 where minus 1 here minus 90. After that where 3 5 by 2 minus 1. After 3 5 by 2, next to another values also there. Here minus 5 by 2. Here 3 5 by 2. After that every minus 5 to 3 difference 4. After that 3 plus 4, 7 5 by 2. next 7 5 by 2 values. So first value is x is equal to minus 5 by 2 and 3 5 by 2. After that 7 5 by 2 and continuously going on. But he asking where to where? Minus 3 5 2 plus 3 5. So for this general solution, so we prepare for this 3 and 7, consider 3 and 7. So here first value a is equal to 3, 7 that is the last value, this is the first value. So in this common difference 7 minus 3 t is equal to 4. So here t n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is arithmetic progression. A is the 3, n we don't know, minus 1 into d 4. 3 plus n minus 3 plus 4n minus 4. So this is 4n minus 1. This is the tnth term. So this and continuously going on, last term 4n minus 1 into 5 by 2. That is the nth term. So in this, how many values are suitable? This is the nth term. So x is equal to 4n minus 1 5 by 2 general solution. So x is equal to 4n minus 1 into 5 by 2. So he asking in between 3 5 minus 3 5 2 plus 3 5 only intervals. So how many values exist here? N is equal to 0 suppose, then x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay. N is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1 4 3 5 by 2 coming. If n is equal to 2, x is equal to 8 minus 1 7 5 by 2. This is greater than 2 5. 7 by 2 how much? 3 above. 2 3 6 and above. That means 3 5, that value above 2 5. So he given 3 5 up to maximum value 3 5. So it is equal to 3 or not equal to 3. 7 by 2 3.5. Here not equal to 3 5. That's why this is greater than 3 5 value. So n is equal to 2 does not exist. After that n is equal to minus 1 you take. X is equal to minus 1 means minus 4, minus 1, minus 5, minus 5 5 by 2. So this is actually minus 3 5 least value. This value how much? Minus 2.5. So minus 2.5 to minus 3.5. So this value can be exist. This value can be exist. So this is greater than minus 3.5. So this value also suitable. If we consider minus 2, minus 8, minus 9 5 by 2, 4.5 coming. But there are 3 only. So n values here, n is equal to 0 and plus or minus 1. These are the solutions. This is the x value. In this n including n values 0 and plus or minus 1 values. Only 3 values having. Next, exercise 4.1, fifth problem. For what values x does sin x is equal to sin inverse x? Where it is the equal x values? He asking. So, by using the graph, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Consider sin x values minus 90 to plus 90. Five by 2 minus 5 by 2. For these values, maximum minima minus 1 to 1. So here you draw the one line by 45 degrees. This is the reflection line. Reflection otherwise image line. So correctly, obviously these values minus 90 to plus 90 sine graph minus 90 to plus 90, how it is. This side like this going on. After this 5, it meet at 5. This is the sin x graph. So after this left also coming like this. So this is the y is equal to sin x graph. And this side sin inverse x graph. Suppose this x axis, y axis rotating 90 degrees, this diagram interchanged. So then this values now here 5 by 2, here minus 5 by 2 like that. Then sin inverse x values plus 1 to minus 1. So in this sin inverse x minus 90 to plus 90, x values minus 1 to plus 1. So in this sin inverse x graph, like this coming. Exactly this graph, reflection to this line, this above, this below graph, similar to about this y is equal to x line, y is equal to x line. So this how it will come, this line like this is like this. Like this coming. This is the y is equal to sin inverse x graph. So it meet at only one point 0. Now x is equal to 0. It can be exist. Sin x is equal to sin inverse x. If x is equal to 0, sin x is equal to sin inverse x. Exercise 4.2, first problem. Find the values of x such that x value lies between minus 6.5 to plus 6.5 and the equation is the cos x is equal to 0. The second is the cos x is equal to minus 1. Here we know that graph x axis, y axis, origin, y dash, x dash, maximum minimum values plus 1, minus 1. So this is the 5 by 2, this is the 5, this is the 3 5 by 2, this is the 2 5. So cos x graph minus 1 to plus 1 range. So cos 0 1 value, cos 90 value 0, cos 180 minus 1, 270 0, 360 again 1. So we draw the graph. This is the y is equal to cos x graph. After that here minus 90. After that it is continuously going on curve like that. Where is the 0 values? Minus 90 0, plus 90 0. After that 3 5 by 2 0. So actually cos x is equal to 0 given. For this general solution is 2n plus 1 into 5 by 2. We know that general solution. So if here in this n is equal to 0 substitute, then what coming 5 by 2. N is equal to 1. 1 means what coming 2 plus 1 3 5 by 2. At 5 by 2 0, 3 5 by 2 0, excellent. If n is equal to 2, then what coming? 4 plus 1, 5 5 by 2. So this is 2 5 by 5 by 2 means 2.55. If n is equal to 3, 6 plus 1, 7 5 by 2. 7 5 by 2, how much? 3.5, but 6.65 there. 6. So n is equal to 4 also taken. 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9 5 by 2. This value how much? 4.5, but up to 6. N is equal to 5. Then what? X is equal to 2 into 5, 10 plus 1, 11 5 by 2. So this is the 5.5, but up to 6. N is equal to 6, consider. X is equal to 12 plus 1, 13 5 by 2. This is above 6, above 6 5. That's why this value does not exist. So n is equal to up to 5, 0 to 5 first. In this, n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this, negative values, minus 90. If we consider minus 1, minus 3 5 by 2 coming. Minus 1, minus 2, plus 1, minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. If n is equal to minus 1, then what? Minus 2 plus 1, minus 5 by 2. Okay. N is equal to 2. Then minus 2. Minus 4, minus 3, 5 by 2 coming. Like this, up to n is equal to minus 5, we put minus 5 means minus 10 plus 1, minus 9 by 2. This is also minus 4.5, but minus 6 is there. N is equal to minus 6, put minus 6, minus 12, minus 11, 5 by 2. Minus 11, 5 by 2. This also minus 6 means minus 5.5. So if n is equal to minus 7, give minus 14 plus 1, minus 13 5 by 2. This is above minus 6. That's why this value does not exist. N is equal to minus 6, consider. N is equal to minus 6. So after this conclusion, n is equal to 0, plus 1 okay, minus 1 okay, plus 2, minus 2, plus 3, minus 3, plus 4, minus 4. Here plus 5, minus 5. Minus 5 already exists. 5, it is 11 5 by 2 coming. 5.5, it is okay. Plus minus, plus minus. Here only minus 6 can be exist. Plus 6 does not exist. Once you check minus 6 into minus 12 plus 1, minus 11 5 by 2. It is above minus 0.5. That's why n value is 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5, minus 6 only. Okay? Yes. Next, second, what given? Cos x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 where we get? Minus 1 where we get? For this general solution is x is equal to 2n plus 1 into 5 by 2, suppose. To consider minus 1 where only 5, cos 180. This is not coming. You check only 5, 1 5. So n is equal to 0 means 1 5, minus 1. After that, where 0, minus 1, here minus 5. Cos of 180 minus 1, cos of minus 180 also minus 1. Minus 5, at the minus 5, 0. Minus 5 means n is equal to minus 1, you give minus 1 into 2, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, 5. N is equal to minus 1, n is equal to plus 1 exists. N is equal to 0, from the 0, n is equal to plus r minus 1 can be exist. You check plus 1, 3 5, at 3 5 again 3 5, it is 0 coming. 0 where coming? Minus 5 to plus 5. So gap is 2 5. Every 2 5 gap plus or minus 1 coming. If we check 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5 5, 5 5. Before this 3 5. Before this 0 5. How much gap? Here to here 2 5 2 5 gap. So plus 2 also exists. Minus 2, minus 4 plus 1, minus 3 5. Minus 3 5 also exists. Next, if we consider plus 3, n is equal to 6 plus 1, 7 5. 7 5 more than 5 5. So 3 does not exist. You check minus 3. Minus 3 means minus 6 plus 1, minus 5 5. Minus 5 5 already there given. Minus 5 5. So minus 3 can be exist. So n is equal to 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, minus 3 can be possible. These are the n values. If x is equal to n plus 1 into 5. This is the general solution for cos x is equal to minus 1. Exercise 4.6, 1 mark bits. Choose the correct or the most suitable answer from the given 4 alternatives. First problem. The value of sin inverse of cos x where x lies between 0 to 5. This is the condition. So is this condition suitable or not? Once sin inverse minus 92 plus 90 only. Minus 92 plus 90. That means here minus 1 plus 1 possible only. This domain minus 1 to plus 1 having. So minus 1 suitable or not? Cos 0 1, cos 180 minus 1 in this having. Cos 0 1 in this having. In this interval this is can be exist. After that sin inverse of cos x is equal to in these options first 5 minus x given. After that x minus 5 by 2, next 5 by 2 minus x, next x minus 5. Which value suitable? So from this sin inverse of cos x where x belongs to 0 to 5. So this is the closed bracket, this is the equality, inequality. According to that both are same. X lies between 0 to 5, x belongs to 0 to 5. Both meanings are same. So sin inverse of cos x, how we change this? So this is written as in terms of sin inverse. Here also sin need, otherwise not cutting. Sin 90 minus x. Suppose we write like this. Sin 90 minus x is equal to cos x. This is the first quadrant. Sin 90 minus x, cos x only. Now sin inverse of sin here. So this value minus 1 to plus 1 can be exist. Then this sin inverse of sin cancelled. 5 by 2 minus x. Actually 5 by 2 minus x, any value. Suppose x is equal to 0, 5 by 2. X is equal to 5 by 2, 0 coming. This belongs to minus 92 plus 90. 5 by 2 minus x always lies between minus 92 plus 90. That's why here cancelled. Any value in this, you substitute here in this interval coming. That's why sin inverse of sin cancelled. It is equal to 5 by 2 minus x. Which option? Third option. Third option is the right answer. So sin inverse x belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. Then x lies between where to where? Minus 90 to plus 90. We check this. Let's come to second problem. If sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to 2 5 by 3 given, then he asking cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, how much? It is equal to first option 2 5 by 3, second 5 by 3, third 5 by 6, fourth 5, which is the suitable answer. Now from this we find this. Given what given solution? Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to 2 5 by 3 given. From this, by using the one formula, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to 5 by 2. This is the one formula. Here x, sin cos, then 90. Sin inverse x, cos inverse x. Suppose here 5 by 2, here 5 by 2, 5 by 2 coming. Here 1, here 1, 5 by 2 coming. Any x value, that summation is the 5 by 2. So this sin inverse x convert to, from this sin inverse x what? 5 by 2 minus cos inverse x. Like that, sin inverse y also 5 by 2 minus cos inverse y. Sin inverse x is written as 5 by 2 minus cos inverse x plus, this is over, from this sin inverse y 5 by 2 minus cos inverse y is equal to 2 5 by 3. Okay, this sin inverse x convert to cos inverse x, 5 by 2 minus cos inverse x. This also 5 by 2 minus cos inverse y is equal to 5 by 3 given. Now this 5 by 2, 5 by 2. How much? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1, 5. Here minus, minus taken common outside, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to 2 5 by 3. Now then we take the 2 5 by 3 left side, 5 minus 2 5 by 3 is equal to cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y. Okay. After this value how much? 3 LCM, 3 5 minus 2 5, 1 5 by 3. So finally cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to 5 by 3. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to 5 by 3. Then cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to 5 by 3. Second option. This second option 5 by 3 is the suitable answer. Third problem. Sin inverse 3 by 5 minus cos inverse 12 by 13. Here sec inverse 5 by 3 minus cosec inverse 13 by 12. Okay. This sec inverse cosec inverse convert to in terms of sin. Sec inverse of 5 by 3 in terms of cos, reverse reciprocating 3 by 5. We know sec inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 by x, like that. Okay, after this cosec inverse 13 by 12 in terms of sin inverse 12 by 13. Here also cosec inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 1 by x. According to these formulas, we write like this. Now, given problem, sin inverse of 3 by 5 minus cos inverse of 12 by 13 plus sec inverse 5 by 3 is the cos inverse 3 by 5 minus this is sin inverse of 12 by 13. Now here sin inverse 3 by 5, here cos inverse 3 by 5. So join this sin inverse of 3 by 5 plus cos inverse of 3 by 5 join. Here in this minus common, cos inverse 12 by 13 plus sin inverse of 12 by 13. This one group, this one group. According to sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to 5 by 2. By using this formula, this is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. Here 3 by 5, here 3 by 5. That's why this value is the 5 by 2 minus this also cos inverse x plus sin inverse x. X is the 12 by 13. So that's why this value also 5 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this suitable answer is the 0, third option. Okay. Fourth question, if sin inverse x is equal to 2 sin inverse alpha has a solution Then number 1 option, modulus of alpha is less than or equal to 1 by root 2. Modulus of alpha greater than or equal to 1 by root 2. Third, modulus of alpha less than only 1 by root 2. Fourth, modulus of alpha greater than 1 by root 2 only. Which is the correct option? How we find this? What is the given here? Sin inverse x is equal to 2 sin inverse alpha. Sin inverse x is equal to 2 sin inverse alpha given. Now, this sin inverse x always lies between minus 5 by 2 to 5 by 2. So, this value sin inverse x lies between minus 92 plus 90. Okay. So, what is the sin inverse x? Nothing but 2 sin inverse alpha. This is 2 sin inverse alpha less than or equal to 5 by 2 less than or equal to minus 5 by 2. Now, these 2 eliminate here. 2 come to this side minus 5 by 4. 2 into 2, 4 division. Less than or equal to sin inverse alpha. Less than or equal to 5 by this 2 into 2, 5 by 4. Okay. After that, this sin inverse apply both sides. Sin inverse here sin. So this is sin of minus 5 by 4 less than or equal to alpha less than or equal to sin 5 by 4. Okay. Alpha value lies between sin minus 5 by 4 sin 5 by 4. So this minus 5 by 4 come outside. Minus sin 5 by 4 less than or equal to alpha less than or equal to sin 5 by 4. What is the value of sin 5 by 4? 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 less than or equal to alpha less than or equal to 1 by root 2. Alpha lies between minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So that means if modulus of alpha is always less than or equal to 1 by root 2. This meaning this. One is minus 1 by root 2 above, 1 by root 2 below. That in terms of modulus, alpha is equal to 1 by root 2. If you expansion this is the correct. So, what is the option? Modulus alpha is less than or equal to 1 by root 2. First option is the right answer. Sin inverse of cos x is equal to 5 by 2 minus x is valid for. This is the fifth question. In the first question, what given? In the first bit, sin inverse of cos x is equal to 5 by 2 minus x given. Here x lies between 0 to 5 given. That time I explained here 0 to 5 why? Cos 0 1, cos 180 minus 1. This range is the minus 1 to plus 1 only. That's why 0 to 5 is the right answer. 0 to 5 is the right answer. So again, what given here? Sin inverse of cos x is equal to 5 by 2 minus x. When it is possible, cos x minimum maximum where cos 0 1, cos 9, cos 180 minus 1. So that's why where 1, where minus 1, cos 180 minus 1, cos 0 1, 0 to 5. That's why this is valid for 0 to 5. X lies between 0 to 5. Otherwise, x lies between 0 and 5. This is the right option. X value. Now, sixth question. If sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z is equal to 3 5 by 2 given, the value of x power of 2017 plus y power of 2018 z power of 2019 minus 9 by x power 101 plus y power 101 plus z power 101 is given. Question asking this value how much? So simple technique. What given? Sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y plus sin inverse of z is equal to 3 5 by 2 given. So for this suitable value, so here how many times 1 2 3 values. So here 3 times of 5 by 2. So this is 5 by 2 plus this is 5 by 2 plus this is 5 by 2 is equal to 3 5 by 2. Then sin inverse x is equal to 5 by 2, sin inverse y 5 by 2, sin inverse z 5 by 2. Now 3 5 by 2 came. Now x value how much? From this, x is equal to sin inverse of x value 5 by 2. Then x is how much? 1. Y also 1, z also 1. Sin inverse of y value 5 by 2. Then this is the 1. Then sin inverse of 1 is equal to 5 by 2 coming. Similarly, this also. All x, y, z 1, 1, 1. So we find this value. We substitute here. That first value x power of 2017, 1 power of 2017 plus y power of 2018 plus this is 1 plus 1 power of 2019 minus 9 by 1 power of 101 plus 1 power of 101 plus 1 power of 101. So 1 power of something 1, this 1, 1, 1 minus 9 by 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 3 minus 9 by 3. 3 is 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 0 is the suitable answer. Seventh problem, if cot inverse x is equal to 5 by 5 for some x value belongs to R, the value of tan inverse x is how much? Here 4 options, minus 5 by 10 plus 5 by 5, 5 by 10 minus 5 by 5. So how to find this? Here cot inverse x is equal to 2 5 by 5 given. Okay. But in terms of tan inverse cot inverse, one formula having tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equal to 5 by 2. This is the formula. By using this formula, cot inverse x is 2 5 by 5. Substitute here. Then tan inverse of x plus cot inverse x value 2 5 by 5 is equal to 5 by 2. Then tan inverse x is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2 5 by 5. This value sent to outside. So now here LCM how much? 10. 5 5 minus 2 into 2 4 5. This value 5 minus 4 1. 1 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is the right answer. Here the domain of the function defined by fx is equal to sin inverse of under root x minus 1 is first question closed interval, all closed intervals 1 2 minus 1 1 0 1 minus 1 0. Here two methods, verification method and solving method. On the solving method, sin inverse of x minus 1 under root 2. So this sin inverse of this value lies between minus 1 to 1. Root of x minus 1 lies between minus 1 to plus 1. And this value real valued function, that's why x minus 1 always positive. X minus 1 always greater than equal to 0. From this, x greater than equal to 1. Here, the square root given, squaring on both sides, minus 1 square 1 less than or equal to x minus 1 less than or equal to 1. This minus 1 take in this side plus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to this one outside 2. This means x less than or equal to 2 consider. X less than or equal to 2. So 2 and below 2. They are 1 and above 1. So for this and this is 2, this is 1. From 1 and 2, taken as x values lies between here above 1, 2 below, above 1. So x belongs to 1 comma 2. This is the domain. X values are called domain. X values in this is the domain. Now x is equal to 1 comma 2. This first option. If x is equal to 1 by 5, the value of cos inverse x plus 2 sin inverse x is here values minus square root of 24 by 25 second 24 by 25 under root, third 1 by 5, fourth minus 1 by 5. Which one is the correct? So given problem, cos of cos inverse x plus 2 sin inverse x given. We are asking this. Next, cos of, this is written as cos inverse x. Here 2 sin inverse x written as sin inverse x plus sin inverse x. Sin 2 sin inverse x. So now according to formula, this is 5 by 2. This is 5 by 2. So now cos of 5 by 2 plus sin inverse x. So this is the cos 90 plus theta. Cos 90 plus theta, what formula? It is the second quadrant cos negative minus sin theta. Okay, by using this formula, minus sin theta. Theta is the sin inverse x. So sin of sin inverse x cancelled. This sin of sin inverse x. X remaining, sin inverse cancelled, minus x. So x value how much? Minus of x is equal to actually 1 by 5 given. So minus x is the minus 1 by 5 is the right answer. Stop here. Minus 1 by 5. Which option? Fourth option is the right answer. Fourth option.